All right, time for some Grand M fun, I guess. So, as we know, motor's out, and now we have a new one. If you guys didn't see, I don't mind because this is junk anyway, as far as I'm concerned. So it was over here, for whatever reason, really didn't look too deep into it, but cylinder 6, this guy, we were getting coolant somehow in this area. The head gasket looked okay. The heads appear fine. The block appears fine. I'm not sure what happened. I'm gonna put that motor together before I put it in. Did a compression test. I did a compression test again when it started having issues and saw no, so I don't know. Somehow coolant was getting in there. Whatever. We're going back to stock anyway with this. He just wants a cruiser. I think he said like 120,000 miles on it. Heard it ran. So even better. Just gonna tear it down, get all the stuff we don't need, put better looking stuff on there. He is using the 3.5 upper, so we're gonna adapt for that. He's getting that powder coated along with a couple other things. I guess little by little we're gonna pull this apart and I guess just talk about it. All right, so most of this is ugly, so we're just gonna get rid of it. ACs are deleted, so we're gonna get rid of that. I have a clean timing cover with a new water pump already installed in it on the shelf, so we're gonna just, that is one. Obviously power steering pumps on the car. The idlers are looking a little rough. Even this guy's looking kind of rough, so I'll just take the one off the 3.5 block we were using. I got a brand new one of those, and this motor's out of an 03, so we can't even use this alternator. I guess we'll start the scrap pile. So let's get this belt off first, and I guess just gotta go from there. Ah, that's a problem. So that'd be why it was overextending. It broke. That's junk. Ooh. So there's only 2 bolts. There should be 3. And so I had the tool, but I guess maybe after so many uses it doesn't do anymore. Gotta go pick another one up. I think it's like 10 bucks. I've probably taken off a dozen balancers with it. Well, we're gonna skip over the balancer for now and start getting some of this stuff off here. That's not a good sign. Oh boy. Well, I found the home. That guy down there is pissed off. Alright, so this is pretty much just boring, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you guys find it interesting. But I'm going to go ahead and just rip off the other manifold off camera. Yeah, then we'll just continue from there, I guess. So balancers are supposed to be pretty easy, especially on our cars. Not with this one. That's actually the second tool. Everything looks normal. I mean, nothing looks damaged. Nothing looks like they did something stupid to it. So I'm not really entirely sure why we had an issue. But here's what's left. First, I cut off the outer part. Then I got the inner part off. That's just for the crank sensor. That just kind of fell out. Then I had to bust apart the timing cover, and then I just kind of hacked at it, and it broke off. Like I said, I have no idea why it did this. But timing cover's off now, oil pan's off. We're ready to continue. Oh, we did leave off. There was a broken stud on the one side. Well, there's one on this side also. It was broke already. It was just sitting inside the heat shield. So whatever, I guess. I guess we'll continue with the teardown, as it seems to be getting more juicy as we go. All the parts are here, except one bonus part. All right, so the goodie box I was talking about showed up. Let's open it. So here's what it looks like. Okay. Nice. Whoa, what's that? Feels kind of heavy. Hey. Look at those. Okay, so it looks like we have cam, push rods, some bearings. Where from, you may ask? None other. The good part is we've already got the springs and everything. We're gonna put those on the 3/4 heads, put our fresh bearings in, push rods, and we'll throw our good old cam in there. Surprise! Because we can't leave anything stock. Back to the engine. So here we are. And just like I thought, I found more stuff. So one thing I did find, which was weird, is there's still kind of remnants of it. So there's some remnants of it, but there was dirt in this cylinder, which you can see on the head still. I literally just took the head off and set it over here. You can see right there, dirt. Yeah. Found that, confused, whatever, moved on from it. All the cylinder walls look fine. However, what I did find was the cam has some scoring. It literally skinned the cam. So something got in there. That thing is all kinds of beat up. And it's like limited to just that single one. We did run into where we're not even gonna use the heads, but motor's torn down, so I don't know what else we could find at this point. I did manage to get the cam bearings out. Nothing that you can really see in there, but next video we'll pick up with assembling. The heads are literally just sitting on there, so we'll pretty much start with that and work from there. So we're gonna end it off there just because there was so much that happened. Hopefully I can get back on track here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.